Nope, it has to be on the metals.
Logan, don't put the key in.
Nope, all the way to the tips. See the little curves right here?
No one those curves.
One on each one. Put that other one. It wasn't
Logan,
on
don't.
really good. Just the tips. Make sure it's pinching on it. Squish it. Nice job. And it's on. Launch preparation is complete.
Step back.
We're stepping back. This one's gonna.
Oh, my foot still hurts.
Oh, sorry, honey.
You were seriously using a C65 last time?
Oh,
Oh, it kind of
This
stings.
is a C67 in there. Hang on.
C65 went crazy high.
Yep, this one's gonna go really high. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see it. Where is it?
Wow,
Oh
look at
my
that.
gosh. Oh. Oh my.
I told you this one's gonna go way far. It's probably gonna land in